Welcome back to another new video of Thamel Pigeon. So today I'm going to deworm my birds. In 6 months, every 6 months we need to deworm our birds and give vaccination to our birds so that they will be healthy. And first of all, to give vaccination, first we need to deworm our birds. Then after few days we need to give some liver tonic, then give vaccination, then again give vitamins so that they will be healthy. And the weather is also clean and little warm. So today I am going to give a dewormer to my birds. So I will show you how I give my birds, how I deworm my birds. So you can see this is the dewormer that I'm going to give to my birds. This is albendazole suspension and warmer. You can see it's 30 ml, and to each bird we need to give 0.5 ml. So I'm going to directly give to mouth. So it's 30 ml. So this one bottle will for 60 pigeons, and I have here normal water. So I will keep 0.5 ml this and 2 ml this fresh water in the syringe, and I will give to my birds according to it. 2.5 ml I will give to each bird. So I am going to keep this in normal one bowl, and I will keep this all, and I will keep according to it water. So 2 ml water for 0.5 ml this dewormer. So I will keep and show you. So I have mixed the solution for my birds. You can see here I have already kept this in here and kept normal water also. So now for each bird we will take like this. Then in every bird we will keep 2.5 ml in their mouth. So like this we will give to bird. So now I have this fantail. So I will show you how I will give to this bird. First of all, we need to catch like this, open mouth. So you can see here I have given 25 ml to that bird. Like this I will give to every bird. So I can show you how I will give to every bird. Now I have another male Fantail Pigeon. So I will show you how I will give to this bird. So first of all I will fold their leg, keeping my hand. Slowly open their mouth and just keep inside their mouth this pipe. Then just press 2.5 ml to each bird. So like this I will give to every bird. I need to give this medicine to all these birds. You can see. So I will give this medicine to all the pigeons in this loft. These are fantails, and here are two. Here are also some fantails. So actually this giving dewormer to these birds is very important. Actually, how to know when to give this bird this dewormer is in every 6 months I need to give vaccination and deworm to these birds. First deworm, then give vaccination. As you can see, this bird is also feeling little weakness. You can see this bird. So they are lightweight. They eat feed, but they are in very lightweight. So after giving this, they will take out their all the worms. I will not show you that, but they will take out their worms. Then they will be eating food, and this will keep them very healthy. So this is very important for every birds. So I will give all these birds. I have already shown you how to give dewormer to your birds and the importance of giving dewormer to your birds. So in every 6 months you need to give this. So after giving this, I need to give liver tonic as well. I will show you that also, how to give liver tonic to birds, and after that I will give vaccination, then give vitamin. I will show you everything. And I have kept some fantails. I have made more fantails in this loft, more than high flyers. I think there is about 50 fantails now in my loft. So I will give you update, keep on giving update about my birds, and show you how I am keeping my birds. So I will give you update. So please stay tuned, and thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this. So I will be back with new video.